alaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut a Basque Abaya dress. I'll be using this pattern paper to cut out the upper part. Then the down part is a flay skirt. So the first cutting is going to be on this pattern paper, which is the upper part. I'll be folding into 2 this way. You can see it. This is into 2. I'm supposed to fold this into 4, but I'll be using this to cut out the back on the fabric. So the first thing I'll be taking here is the shoulder measurement of 10 inches. This is my 10 inches. A shoulder slant of 1 inch. Then from here, I'm going to take it up to the neckline. Then from here, I'll be taking my armhole measurement of 5 inches. The length of the back is 15 inches. The length of the back is 15 inches, but the main half cut is 9 inches. So if I feel that the length of the back is too much, I can try to adjust it to 13 inches. You can see. And I can also use this 15 inches. It depends on how long you want your back to be. But the back normally be under the navel. So from here now, I'll be taking, this is my bust measurement line, the bust line. This is the waistline, this is the back line, the back length is here. If I think it's too short, I can use this length, and if I think it's too long, I can use this length. So the next thing I'm going to take here is the bust measurement of 22 inches. 5.5 in 4 places is going to give us 22 inches with the seam allowance of 1.5 inches. The waist measurement is 21 inches. That means I'll be making use of 5.25. So I'm using it here. The seam allowance of 1.5. The seam allowance of 1.5 inches. You can see. So you can see this is the armhole. Then the waist to the waist, I'll be slanting it down to the waist here. You can see this is the waist measurement. So the backs that we're going to use now, I'll be using, let me take the measurements of the upper part here. This is 14, so I'll make use of 15 inches from the back. So if I think 14 is too low, then the 16 is too long, so I'm making use of 15, the one at the middle. Then from this 15, I'm going to make a slant line. You can see this is the waist measurement, you can see. Then to the center of this 15 inches. You can see. So this is now the shape of our backs. You can make a round backs, can make a fish shape backs, but here we're making use of a fish shape backs. then I can now cut it out. So you can see now. You can see the shape. Our half cut now is now a box. You can see. So the next thing to take is the neckline. I'll be using 2 inches here, 2 inches for the wideness, then 2.5 inches for the deepness. You can see that I'll be making use of my armhole to bring out the nice shape of the neckline. You can see now. You can see. So I cannot cut it out now. I'm going to cut both back and front equally because I'm not going to make use of a zip here. I'm making use of slits at the back. Then I'm going to put my loop. I'm using 1 yarn 32 inches for the skirt. You can see 1 yard 32 inches. But I want to tell you in centimeter now. So 1 yard 32 inches will give us 157 centimeter. So I'll be folding this into 4 like a triangle to cut out the flare at the down part of the dress. This is into 2, then into 4 like this. You can see. This is into 4. So the first thing I'll be determining here is to determine where to get the waist measurement. The waist measurement of 21 inches. So to get the waist measurement, I'm starting from this upper part here. So I'm using 8 inches. Eight inches. 8 inches, then 8 inches. I'm going to connect them together. Then from this 8 inches, I'm going to take my length of the skirt to be 25 inches. This is 25 inches with the same allowance. 25 inches. So I'm taking this up. So after connecting it, I'll be cutting it out. Like this, you can see. So this is now the skirt. You can see it now. So we are going to fold it into 4 back to cut out the shape of the backs. You can see this is the upper part. You're going to place this area, this waistline, the main waistline to the waistline here. Then you place it on your flare or your skirt like this. You can see. So you can see now. So this is what we'll be cutting out, this shape. So you can see. Then I'll be starting my cutting from here. Then I'm going to end it here. can see now. So this is not the front, this is the back, and these are the center. So I'm going to notch this area. I'm going to notch the center here. So you can see. So the next thing is to cut this with the fabric, then I'm going to join it with this. Yes, welcome back. This is after joining all the cuttings together. You can see the basque. This is the basque. I told you this. The basque can be round. It can be round. It can be V shaped like this. You can see this is the ringstone that I used to beautify the front. This is the sleeve, a straight sleeve with the flare to make it a complete length. You can see. You can see how beautiful this turns out. If you're watching, so for those who are watching for the first time, I really appreciate you guys for stopping by. You're in the right place to be. And for all my subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. See you in my next tutorial.
Bye.